This is about testing your water before you drink. This experience started some 1 month ago. I was traveling between Songo toll gate, if you know toll gate at the Songo toll gate border, and I was going to Lagos. I was very thirsty. I bought this water inside keke napep. If you know keke napep, you know all those tricycles. So I was so thirsty. Somebody was talking. I just said, give me table water, give me table water." I bought this one. After drinking this water, I started feeling stomach upset. So the next thing that happened was I decided to keep the remaining. I didn't finish it. I kept the remaining in my bag because it was unusual of me to drink water. I felt like that a few times. So, but this time I now decided that I must keep this water because I want to know laboratory results of this water. It looks clean, if you can see, colorless, odorless, transparent, all that. I now bought. Yeah, so this is what I bought: a water testing device. This one I'm not selling, so those is so that I don't think I'm trying to sell or market anything to you. I bought this. I ordered it online. I won't tell you where. I bought this water testing device and now decided to check what I drank that made me have stomach upset. So let's see it together. You can see it again. I don't know the name. I'm not familiar with this brand. You can see the other brands, so I'm not trying to spoil any brand. And I'll tell you why even other brands too are also corporates in this thing. Look at this. I tested it. Can you see? Let me show you. Can you see it's green before I put it, it turns red. That means this water is not safe for drinking. That is the meaning of this result. Again, it's not about the brand name, it's about I later found out it's about where I bought it from. And we are going there now with the testing of other brands too. I bought this one. Was it this one I bought next? Okay, let me test other brands for you. I'll take another cup. I bought, I think this one later. When I got to Oshodi, I couldn't drink that one any further, but I was still thirsty. When I got to Oshodi from Tollgate, I bought, I don't know whether it is this one or this one, but let's keep testing. Again, can you see? I bought this one at Oshodi. Can you see? It's also a popular brand though, but I'm coming somewhere, and I'm not spoiling their brand though. I'm coming somewhere. Can you see? Nevani Abi, also red. Let's come to the next one. This same Nevania, I bought it another place. Let's check it. I think this one I bought it when I got to Shangotedo. If you know Ogidon, between Ogidon and Shangotedo at Etiosa, I bought this one. Also red. I don't have all the bottles now, but I bought the same brand somewhere else, and it was green. I'm coming somewhere. Oh. This one is Aqua Right. Let me turn all these ones that I've turned red. Let me turn them together. Let me turn them together. I'm bringing this matter home. This is Aqua Right. All these are table waters. Oh. All of these are table water that we always pride that, oh, once you buy table water, you are fine. Can you also see? Also red. I'm coming somewhere. I'm not promoting any brand against another. Coming somewhere. Coming somewhere. This one is it Laqua or Laqua? I don't know. Also red. Can you see? Also red. I bought also this Mr. Vic. I don't know where I bought this one from, but I was keeping samples of every water I bought. Every water I bought. Can you see? This one remains green. This particular Mr. Vic remains green. I'm restarting it so that it's not as if any previous result is showing. Let me off it and on it again. It's green. Can you see? By about how many percent? Now look at previous results. Can you see? Look at this. Can you see? The point I'm trying to make to you is that water can be clean, transparent, colorless, odorless, but may not be safe for drinking. I'm not selling this device, so look for it by yourself anywhere. Guess what? When I now saw, oh, this is the cause of the worries I've been having. Guess what? I went to different other places. These ones I kept them because they gave me problem. And they are usually bottles I bought, whether in traffic, when I'm thirsty, or at bus stops before I board public transport. These are the bottles I bought. But sometimes I went to malls, proper malls, and bought the same ones that turned red before, and they were green. L'Aqua, I bought it somewhere else, it was green. I bought Aquarite somewhere else, it was green. I bought Nirvana somewhere else, it was green. I bought them somewhere else, they were green. Guess what I suspect? All these people that always pick bottles, empty bottles along the road, it's like they always rebottle, they always repack these bottles with new water that are not treated or tested or quality certified. That's my suspicion. Guess what? And I said, if table water can be like this, how about sachet waters that we buy? I then went to buy some table water. I went to my parents and now bought this device. I bought different types. I bought like 5 pieces. I gave one to I put one at home. I put one in my bag whenever I'm traveling. I bought others. I gave to my both parents. I gave to. And I went and tested the water, table water they were drinking, bottle, all this bag. They will, whenever you know these sachet water drivers, suppliers of sachet water, whenever they were driving past, they will always buy 5 bags and stock at home. 5 bags, 10 bags. And I said, let me even test the water you were drinking. Guess what? Most of them were red. The different brands they were buying were red. We now went to check the water from our tap at home. Water from our tap at home, it was green. I'm like, you are using water from the tap to wash clothes and to flush toilets, and you are now buying the one that is worse than what you have at home. The only time the water from our tap ever turned red was during rainy season. And I suspect that might be because of flood, percolating into the soil and into the aquifer and, polluting the water that we are now pumping. Maybe, just maybe. But the water from our tap that we were saying, oh, maybe it has not been treated as much as the water we are buying. They were better than the water we are buying. Until we now tested the different water, and we now certified one that is constantly clean. I think that particular, I don't want to mention it. That particular is sachet water or sachet that we buy 2 for 100 naira, 50 naira, and 1 bag for 500 naira. A particular brand was constantly clean. Don't take my words for it. Just go and look for this device. I'm not selling so that it doesn't look like I'm selling. Look for this device. Whether you want to buy from any online store, I'm not recommending anyone, or talk to your plumber or any building material part seller, whatever. Ask them for this device. There are different types. Study how to use it. But one thing is constant about them. If it is bad, it will turn red for you. If it is safe to drink, it will remain green. Do you understand what I mean? So I suspect that most people will pick all this. If I dispose of all these empty bottles now, some people will pick them and put content in them again. They will recap them and resell inside traffic. So that is what you are drinking. They are not safe. So if you are wondering where your sudden weakness came from, sudden tiredness came from, sudden stomach disturbance came from, most of them are from the water you are drinking. I just said today let me do health talk. I kept all these things in my bag for long before I now have time to do this, to make this video today. So please look for it. I'm not selling. Look for it wherever you can. Always make sure you're on the safe side when you are buying water and you are drinking water. God for us all.
Particularly, I've had that experience. After drinking a bottle of water, I started feeling somehow. This thing happened when I was traveling from Enugu to Anambra State. After drinking one bottle of water I bought like that, I started feeling somehow. But my mind did not even go that side that it might be from that particular bottle of water. I was not even thinking that way. Maybe I think it might be just kind of mood change or temperature or something like that. But my mind did not even carry me go there. Now after watching this video, I now came to understand it was that bottle of water that I drank that day that caused me that for some hours I wasn't feeling fine. So this is just to create an awareness, most especially to all these companies that are into table water production, that they should, how will I put it, that they should be more careful to identify those who are using their brand or who are using their name to produce fake water. Because what this guy said is, as in the way what this guy said in the video is correct. After most of these people, after they have picked table water, going around picking all those ones that people have drank, they will go and repackage it without actually giving the water the proper treatment. Like normal people, they go and package it. They feel just do like one room like this, and they run the business. Just they carry water anyhow, just they put inside the bottle, just they recap the cover and now started selling it again. Most people, all these companies, people should take this matter very serious. And if you are seeing this video, don't forget to share. Just share this video. We have to create this awareness, because some companies, this is a bad reputation to their brand. Imagine a big company. That people have known their water to be very good water for drinking. Then all of a sudden, people start going to the backyard to start doing all this their fake something. Now start to damage the reputation of that particular brand. So this big company, you people should be very careful. If you are seeing this video, just help me share. You people should be very careful. Some people are just using your name and are causing a very bad reputation to your name. You saw everything in that video. It is 100% possible. It can happen. We are in Nigeria. Anything can happen. People can do anything to survive. People can go do anything to survive, especially in this economic hardship. People can do anything just to see that they survive. I haven't heard that the thing is even in drink as normal. This wine, they will go somewhere and repackage a wine. That one is fake. They will repackage it. That's everything is possible. Don't forget to share this video if you are seeing this video, and drop if you have had a similar experience. Drop it on the comment section. Me particularly, I've had the experience. People can do anything to survive. All these big companies, please, you people should take this thing very serious. If you catch anybody who is kind of causing bad reputation to your company, don't take that person lightly, because this thing is a threat to someone's health. Can you imagine after drinking a bottle of water, you started feeling somehow? Now we should be very careful. Since that day, I limited the way I buy table water. Most times I might even prefer to get a pure water self. You should be very careful. Your health. You should be very careful concerning what you take inside your body, especially water. Make una share this video.